Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the mini color blocks. For this pattern, you're just going to need to know how to do a single crochet. You'll also need 3 different shades of yarn. And if you need to know how to do a single crochet, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that stitch. So to get started, for row 1, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 3. For this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick 7 chains. Once you have your set chains, you want to start off by chaining 3. And you are going to work a single crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. Then you will work a single crochet in the following stitch from that. And then chain 2. So the repeat for this, to get your desired size of whatever you've chained on, you would work a single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then chain 2. And then once you get to the very last stitch, you would just work 1 single crochet. Now to join your second color of yarn, what I like to do is leave the last loop on there. So you insert your hook, pull through 1 for your single crochet, but you leave that loop on there. And for me, this just makes it easier to join the next color. You make a slip stitch out of it and just pull it through. And I think it just gives it a better edge design. So for row 2, you are going to chain 1, and then you are going to work 2 single crochets into the chain 2 space. And then your repeat will be chaining 2 and working 2 single crochets into the next chain 2 space. And you would repeat that all the way to the end of your work. Again, I left the 2 loops on there to join color number 3. So color number 3 is going to be starting off by chaining 3 and skipping the first 2 stitches. Then you would have a repeat for this row of single crocheting in the next chain 2 space and then chaining 2, and you would do that all the way till your very last stitch, which you would end up single crocheting in the very last stitch. So what this ends up doing is you want to work colors 1, 2, 3, and then once you're done with color 3, you go back to color 1. And right now, I know this kind of looks like a mess. And while I was doing this, it really does look like a mess until you get like to your 5th or 6th row, and then you end up with this really beautiful design. So if you found this video helpful, please do give it a like. I hope you enjoyed this mini block colors, and I will see you in the next video. Have a happy crochet day.